Hey you all, it's me, it's Cindee. I promise it's me. Nobody else is going to come in here and do all this painting for me. I hope everybody's doing real well. I've been busy putting out some coasters because I've promised a couple of people that I would do a few of those little craft shows and fairs and stuff in the area this year. And that was kind of, I don't like New Year's resolutions at all, but that's as close to one as I've come. But they have to go with me and help me set up and stuff. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to play around with this bloom technique on a 10 by 10 canvas. But first I wanted to show you what I do to keep my canvases from flying off to the left or to the right. Usually it's to the right, actually. That's right for me. I set my canvas upside down, and you really can do this for most size canvases, especially like your 10 by 20. You could do this as well. And then I will put my spinner on top and kind of even that out. And then I go around and I'll put in my push pins. See where I need to put my push pins in. So while I'm doing that and making a bunch of noise, I'm going to be back with you guys in just a minute. Hi everybody, I'm back. So I've gone ahead and got those push pins in, and we are free spinning. And I've gone ahead and I've added my house paint onto my 10 by 10 gallery wrapped canvas. I'm going to put on a couple of gloves here. And I'm going to put you guys to music, and I hope you enjoy the mess I make. See you in the end. I'd like to take a moment and give a shout out to one of my YouTube friends whose name starts with a C, and she has a channel that's called Animal Art by TerraCotta, and I'll have her link down in the description. She is wonderful. Love you, Cheryl. Oops, Cheryl, no, TerraCotta. Bye.
was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by, by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse where every mile is a new beginning.
Okay, me like yous a lot. So I'm going to let this sit for just a few minutes and then I'll bring you guys it back in for a close-up. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And I give you, what was I going to call this? Ownership has its privileges. Mom always said it was better to own than rent, and now I truly believe her after the amount of paint I slung all over the place just now. I'll be cleaning up for days. Anyways, let me bring y'all down in here. Oh, goodness. I just love it when I do my little swirly swirls and squiggly wigglies. I really love it. It came out beautiful. And I really like the turquoise cell activator. It really looks really pretty with that orange and the gold. And I do wish a little bit more of that purple would have showed up. But I'm very pleased with the outcome of this. Anyways, this is Cindee. I wish y'all a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. And until next time, I love y'all. Bye-bye.